Hey, what's going on there, bud? Not bad, not bad. What the hell's that thing, man? That's probably what it is, most likely. Illuminati. Yeah. Well, looks like we're heading to the Postpile. Bonzi. Yeah, heading. Yeah, you coming? Doing the Pacific Crest Trail today. Yeah. Hey, just nice. Came to the earthquake fault here to check things out.
You guys feel that?
What do you think? Yeah.
Who would climb in here?
What are you doing there?
Why is it snow down there?
What the hell?
It's like a freaking...
Oh, Jesus. Is that what happened? Real shit falling down.
You going down there?
That's right. That's
What's
right.
down there?
Is that a cave?
Is it like an earthquake ravine?
There.
I saw a guy.
Some guy just poking around down there. Well, here we are in Lee Vinning. We found the oddity of the town.
Yep.
And she's right over here.
Upside down house.
What?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Yep.
Holy cow. An upside down house. Looks like it might be closed today, but that's alright. I get the idea. Let's go peek in the window. Yeah. It is indeed upside down.
I'm gonna go do a little mine in here, my mine cart.
Yeah, cruise right down the hill here. Yeah.
I'll find me some gold.
Back in the 1870s and 80s, Bodie became a boom town. One gold was found in the hills surrounding Mono Lake. It was home to 10,000 people during its heyday. It's now a state historic park with some parts of the town preserved in a state of arrested decay. Things like tables with place settings and shops yearly stocked with provisions. It's not surprising that there are many reports of supernatural activity here, including ghost sightings and music playing from shuttered bars. It's one of the best naturally preserved ghost towns in the nation.
What's going on, boys? Up here at the Bodie mines.
Ed, I don't think anybody's around.
I don't either. Hello?
It's like a ghost town around here.
Hello? go. Here we are walking through ghost town of Bodie. It's just Bunsey and me and Trent, and that's it. So we're gonna explore these buildings.
What do you think? Should we resettle it?
Dude, I don't see how we can.
Oh, yeah,
This
start-
place is meant for us.
Yeah.
Right here.
Just start a little
start
operation
over.
for mining.
That's right. At a beach by Teyawanka Lake, or something like that, right?
Yep.
There's Bunsey. He's in.
Hey, Bunsey!